All right, the ant philosophy, right? Now, every spring, right, when the thaw happens, the ant is on the move, right? Raise your hand, right? Yeah. What are they on the move for? Food. Right, for what? Winter. Right. And how much does the ant do? Like, how much does he give? Like, how much does he focus in on what he has to do? Right, like, right? But he also does the best that he can, right? So you guys have to develop the ant philosophy, and you have to do the best that you can, wherever you are, right? And you have to work hard all summer so you guys can have your winter stores, right? That's what it's about. It's the ant philosophy. You have to do the best with what you have, and you have to give that best 100%. Not everybody can have 11 acres or 1,000 acres or 100 acres or 10 acres or 1 acre. But if you're in the apartment, right, we talked about ways that you guys can make this happen. You can grow some tomatoes. You can grow something on your patio, right? You can, like Dr. Leo said, you can have bees. I don't know how that's going to go over, but you could, right? So just do the best with what you have. Do your best every day. The ant philosophy. Every day he's grinding. Every day he's bringing it back, right? Because he knows he has to have that store set up for the winter survival. That's what we're all doing, right? We're all farmers. We grow our food. We put it away for the winter to make it through to the spring. And I never even put my mind to it until 13 years ago when we started living our intended life cycle, right? Our intended life cycle is not in a cubicle with air conditioning. It feels good, but it's not. Like we are supposed to be to the earth, right? The Father made us in His image, right? Everything good for our body, He gives us through the seed, okay? Everything is here for us, and we're so out of tune, right? We're clogging our feet up with shoes, right? Disconnecting from the earth. We're not growing food now. We're driving through windows, right? Now they want to take that close bit of food that you thought you had away and give you like this synthetic food. You see? So everything is pushing you to the unnatural, right? We need to get all back, hardcore focus like the ant, to the natural, right? The natural food, everything the Father gave us. If we're Christians, we got to start standing stronger, right? In what we believe. We're like, you know, we say it, right? But we got to live it. We got to be that example, right? And it's really, this is the time, guys. I mean, community, local government, local everything, your neighbor's farm stand, everything has to go way micro, right? And then we can start doing our thing. But everybody, take care of yourself. Grow your food, right? We never had a hesitation, my wife and I, right? We grow our own food. No one can shut my water off. No one can shut my power off if I don't. They're going to make you conform for your life necessities to the things that you do not want to conform to. Right? That was my point about abortion, right? I don't agree with it. I don't like it. I don't want it. If that's what you do, that's your point. That's what you like. It's cool, right? But don't make us pay for it. Amen. Right? Stand on your own feet.
Yeah.
My wife got under the table. No, but for real, right?
Yeah.
Like, you know.